Hi there, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Jane, and today we're going to take a look at Pavanamuktasana, wind relieving pose.
Today's pose features wind relieving pose, Pavanamuktasana. It's a reclined pose that's known for relieving gas and tension from the body. Naturally, it's a great pose to practice first thing in the morning, especially if you are bloated, as it removes gas and constipation. It strengthens the abdomen, stretches the back body, and encourages blood flow to the hip joints. It reduces chronic low back tension and is the go-to pose for releasing abdominal gas and constipation.
Hi there, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at Pavanamuktasana. So please come onto your back. This is also called wind relieving pose. So once you're on your back, you're going to swiftly exhale as you drop both knees into your chest, wrapping your forearms around your shins. Good. See if you can get opposite hand to elbow if possible, and then roll your shoulders up and pull your chin in towards your knees. You can flex the toes, right? So everything is strongly engaged. So it's like she's furling in on herself, compressing the front body. This is super digestive, super helpful for the digestive system. Naturally, it relieves wind. This is a great pose to do in the morning, perhaps even before you get out of the bed. Take one more full breath in, and then very slowly release the shape. You can roll onto one side, come on up to a seated position. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Would you like to dive deeper into today's sequence? Click the link in the description to help get tips on how to deepen your practice. Thank you so much. Namaste.